So here's the next step of this. I'll take out the bushing and the bearing in the back. First you would have to take out the oil seal, and this is just a simple oil seal puller. And then this is a tool I've made, very simple again. Just a couple steps inside of a shaft that you can use to drive this out. You need a pretty good heavy hammer. And that's it. Everything should come out the back. So I know you can't see that very well, but here's the bushing, and the bearing is in there somewhere.